Yeah. Sometimes silence says more than words. I see the blue ticks, but I don't see your love anymore. You used to call me every night, now conversations and in fights. I send my heart through every text, but I never know what comes next. I see you online every day, but somehow you drifted away. Your replies are getting cold. What happened to the love we used to hold? I read your message and I paused, trying to heal from what it caused. We're talking but we're far apart, two strangers with a broken heart. Blueticks, Blueticks, I know you see my message. Blueticks, Blueticks, but your silence feels so reckless. We used to talk till morning light, now we're losing every fight. Blueticks, Blueticks, tell me where we lost this love tonight. It's not that I don't care anymore, I'm just tired from before. Every promise turned to pain, and I can't keep doing this again. I still remember better days when your love lit up my way, but somewhere on this winding road, the weight became too much to hold. If you're hurting, let me know. Don't leave me standing in the cold. I'd rather hear the painful truth than keep guessing what we're going through. Blueticks, Blueticks, I know you see my message. Blueticks, Blueticks, but your silence feels so reckless. We used to talk till morning light, now we're losing every fight. Blueticks, Blueticks, tell me where we lost this love tonight. Every notification got me open this you. Every single day I don't know what to do. Looking at the chats, reading old memories, wondering how we became enemies. I never wanted us to break apart, but pain has been living in my heart. Maybe we forgot how to communicate, maybe we waited a little too late. Can we go back to where we started, before our love became broken hearted, before the distance grew between us, before the silence defeated us? Blueticks, Blueticks, I know you see my message. Blueticks, Blueticks, but your silence feels so reckless. We used to talk till morning light, now we're losing every fight. Blueticks, Blueticks, tell me where we lost this love tonight. The message was delivered, the message was seen, but somehow the love got lost in between. Blueticks and 1,000 unanswered feelings.